How to customize theme on Levelup. Levelup gives you the power to customize the look and feel of your LMS environment. This allows you to align the training environment with your brand identity and deliver a more consistent experience. Let us find out how you can customize your Levelup theme. To get started, log into Levelup with your admin account credentials. On the home page, you will find the Settings icon on the side menu bar. Click on it. When you do that, a drop-down opens, revealing further options. Click on the Theme option. You will be redirected to the Theme page. On the Theme page, you can change the primary, secondary, and third colors of your Levelup theme. You can directly enter the hex code in the field. Want to choose from the color palette? Simply click on the color you want to edit. Levelup also allows you to add your company logo to the LMS environment. This will be featured at prominent places within the platform, so that your trainees can easily identify with your business. To upload your company logo, click on the logo beside the color options. The Levelup logo is added by default. While uploading the logo, make sure the size of the logo image is less than 2 MB and within 320 by 130 pixels in dimensions. Once you are done, you can click on Preview to see how the colors and logos will look. Having second thoughts? Colors are not looking nice? No problem. If you want to clear it all and go back to the default colors and logo, you can click on Reset. If you are satisfied with the look and feel, you can click on Save and Publish. This is how easy it is to get things done on Levelup. Do check out our other tutorial videos to learn more about how you can use the platform to its fullest potential. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and get notified of all the latest videos from Levelup.